Looking for the best electric wheelchairs? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 electric wheelchairs on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Drive Medical Folding Power Wheelchair. Offers adjustable, padded, and removable armrests. Foam seat cushion is plush and durable. Manual wheel locks provide added safety. An attractive and foldable electric wheelchair. Wheelchair weighs 90 pounds without battery. At number 2. Pride Mobility Go Chair Electric Wheelchair. A contemporary electric wheelchair that provides a lightweight, convenient travel option. Long wheelbase makes it easy to maneuver the wheelchair. Includes dual swing-away storage bins. Available in 6 stunning colors. Armrest height and width are simple to adjust. Suspension fails to provide ample support on rough terrain, resulting in bumpy rides. At number 1. Innuovo Electric Wheelchair. Features premium rear wheels and footrest. Joystick provides seamless steering. Front wheel shock absorber delivers tremendous stability. A safe, reliable, and FDA-approved electric wheelchair. Sometimes can be tough to lift, even when it is folded. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.